Yo, straight to it. Daily recap. I wrote down look for trades in both directions. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look for longs, we're gonna look for shorts and see whatever fits the plan. And see if there are things that don't fit the plan. Let's start on the daily. So what happened? Jeez, yesterday. Big dildo. Oh shit, it's a fuck. Yeah, it's a recap. All right, big ass candle up. A lot of buyers, barely any sellers. We took out this previous daily high, took out this daily high, we took out these daily highs, already did that, but we just stopped before the fair value gap on the daily time frame. So yeah, a lot of momentum stepped in. Wednesday we just took the internal range liquidity and then we went up. What do we have over here? We got like a little trend line going on. And as we go lower, we can see that's pretty decent. But if anything, I would just take it from there and place it over there. Or like that. Yeah. Clean, clean. Like a wash machine. You don't know what that is, but all right. All right. So coming into today. Where are we today? Thursday, Friday. So coming into Friday, what can we see on the 4-hour? We can see that we took the previous daily highs. I think was Asia. Yes, in Asia we took the previous daily high. So that being said, we don't need to look for longs. However, or for sure we can look for shorts because we already took a big liquidity pool, New York highs and previous daily highs. However, we had the daily fair value gap above. Then coming into Asia, we take that and going down lower now to see it more clearly. We can see that we went from low up to a high. Didn't reach discount. Can use this one maybe. Can't use that one, but let's just go from this one to this one. All right, didn't reach that. Perfect. So with the previous daily highs in Asia, we got our Asia high over here. And taking that high means we took a liquidity pull, and if we take it during Asia, we can look for a trade inside Asia without taking the Asian range session liquidity or without playing the Asian range session liquidity. So then what happens? We break structure over here. I don't know if there's a trade setup. I'm just thinking out loud, just see what price is doing. However, we already came into this discount. POI. Let's go lower. So I personally would just wait. Why would I wait? Because we tapped into the fair value gap. I would still wait for Asia high to be broken maybe, because we got this. Yeah, okay, okay, look for shorts. All right, go down lower. What can we see? We got early sellers over here. If anything, we got early sellers over here. So 2 sets of early sellers. Then we got a break of structure, then come back to the extreme. Another break of structure. We came back to the extreme, but this candle is way too big. And then there's nothing there. All right, so no sell before Asia high is taken. Then what can we see? Price takes Asia high. So we induce more liquidity, or we induce more sellers into the market early. Then we got a break of structure, early sellers. but the move already happened, and then we come up higher, and we have a new set of early sellers again, a huge set of early sellers actually. That one is taken out. And then we got on the lower time frame, as we can see over here, low, high, higher, low, higher, high, and then we get the break over here. Also taking out our last point of bullish order flow. So that's our we flip over here, or flip zone if you want to call it like that. I don't call it that, but bullish order flow taking out, then mitigate it. So we see bearish order flow, and again bearish order flow, and again bearish order flow. Break of structure, last unmitigated block, everything else mitigated. So this is from where we take the trade. Oh, what do we do? Ooh, that's a shitty situation. 6966. Be fair, 4.4, 4.9. Ooh. All right, so then we go about the range. Okay. So this was our last range on which we base our trade. That broke. So from here, we reduce. Our stop loss goes below this. Then this is our new range. Don't achieve any discount. Here we achieve discount. And here we'll go just break even because we're almost at the 1 to 5. So I will go break even. Just accept that if it comes back, it's a break even trade. And as you can see, we don't hit the 1 to 5. We respect the bullish order flow from this block, which actually should be the target. Why? Because of the bullish break. Though we can move bearish, yes, but really looking at this, following structure, not following liquidity, we can break bearish, or we can see the price will continue the range. The structure, sorry. Oh, it's a bit messy. All right, so that was the first trade that fitted our plan. It's a break-even trade. Or maybe I would take profits over here. And then we have a 1 to 4.3. That's decent. That's good enough. I'm cool with that. Let's do it like this. Let's stretch it a little bit like this. Okay. Then what do we see happen? And zoom out. There's nothing left unmitigated except for some 1 minute area over here. Jeez, that's really nothing. But if anything, we got our early sellers over here in pre-London. Got liquidity building up to the downside. Oh, my bad. Hold up. We would look both ways of the market. So following this 5-minute structure, we got our low, we got our high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Let's remove this. Then we got our 5-minute order point of interest. It's good that I do it like this. I almost forgot. Let's look at the other website. 5-minute POI going lower. We can see our early buyers over here. And bearish break, bullish break. That's a big block. Maybe you can take it from this. Personally, the block is too big for me. As you can see, long. You would need to take the entire block. That's a lot of pips, especially like it's not even a 1 to 3 to break the range, so it's not really worth it. And we are in a pretty premium price overall, so yeah, not really a good trade. However, if you take it like this, you have a perfect and nice clean trade. And to be fair, if it is this big, I tend to do this. Then this is not really something I'm consistent with, but just for the sake of a couple pips, I prefer to do this, and I'm okay with missing it. And either way, it's a miss or still a loss. So if it breaks the order block, it would have been a loss anyway. And if I miss it, I'm okay with it. So then this would have been the trade, and there you go. Doesn't hit, but just about. So 1 to 5.9. Oh, my bad. And then a little bit above. So 1 to 5 would have been hit. Then we got our early sellers over here. And this is a clean trade. This is the clean trade I was looking for. Why? Previous daily highs are taken. Asia highs are taken. We come into the daily fair value gap. We got liquidity building up to the downside. Look at this. Clean liquidity building up to the downside. We got our early sellers, just about, but early sellers is early sellers. Then pre-New York, just before New York open, we got a structure going on. We got this low broken. We got this entry block over here. This is so sexy. Jeez. Look at that. Boom. Going down deeper. Short. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. For 19, closest number is 20. Where is it? No. Oh, this is clean. Put it above the block. There you go. Then New York open. There are some order flow trades here as well. Oops. Bro. There you go. Easy 1 to 5. Targeting the first liquidity point over here. This point. 1 to 8.8. Targeting Asia low. 1 to 12. Remember, this is a NFP. Then targeting this low. 1 to 15. Targeting this low. 1 to 24. Damn. And it goes all the way until New York low, where it immediately turns around and shifts up. So potential for this trade, or where I will close it, is over here at a 1 to 12.2. And this was my forecast during the webinar. I said, okay, we got this news pump down. We got bear stops above here, so price will take out this high, whether it's today or in the start of a new week, but we will take out this high, and price will come into this daily POI and then continue short. We don't have any early sellers or early buyers over here. So there's no entry anymore. Zooming out, what can we see? Yeah, we got this new range probably going on. Low, high, high, low, high, high, break. Then we can look like up, down, retracement, and then entry down, something like that. Then we can target this low, especially this low, because this is a news low. So this would have been my first target, and this would have been my second target, overall target, previous weekly lows. But that's for next week. So this was the daily recap. What else can we see on these long trades, or on the long trade? Is there anything on the high time frame that tells us, okay, it's a nice long trade? Yes. On the 15-minute, you can see the slowdown, like not really bull stepping in, but neither are the bears. So got this Pair move down, but that's it. On the 1 hour. On around 1 hour, it's just very indecisive. If anything, we could go lower based on the trend line. Really, over here you can see like, okay, seller stepped in, so let's just stop. We wicked, like took this internal range liquidity, early buys out, and then moved up. Same with the short, a lot of slowdown on the 1 hour as well in the size of candle. Perfect short. For next week, we have still this bullish range, and we didn't achieve discount yet. All right, this was the recap of today's price action. Discuss what I want to discuss. Going for a run after that, going with some shisha with friends.